Hello guys. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use Photopea. Let's go to Google. Here search photopea.com. Here I am on the Photopea online photo editing software dashboard. Photopea is a web-based photo and graphics editor. It is used for image editing, making illustrations, web design, or converting between different image formats. From the new project, you can add a file to start editing. Open a file from your computer. Choose a template before editing. You can also drag any file here to open. You can convert your document into PSD, AI, XD Sketch, PDF, XCF, RAW, or any other format. Let's move on to the left bar. In this device, you can give Photopea direct access to a specific folder in your device. In P Drive, you can give access to your specific device drive. Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, shared drives, shared with your drives, or any private folder. Let's open a new project. First of all, enter the project name. Project width and height in pixels. Choose the background color: white, black, transparent, or custom. Choose a layout for social projects. You can also choose the print layout: photo, screens, mobile device, and ads. I will choose a Facebook page cover. And you can see the template size is changed. Now, let's explore the top navigation bar. In the file, you can create a new project, open a new file, share, save a project, and export. You can print, export layers, color lookup, file information, automate, and script. In Edit, you can undo or reduce changes, step forward or backward, fade anything, cut or copy, paste copied file, fill color, or apply stroke. In Image, you can adjust image sizes, auto contrast, or color correction, reduce colors, and manage canvas or image size, crop and trim, duplicate images from this dropdown. In Layers, you can manage image layers, or duplicate any layer. You can manage layer styles and arrange them accordingly. In Select, you have all select and deselect options, remove background, color range, and magic cut. You can apply filters to your project. Photopea has many options to apply filters. Let's move on View dropdown. You can zoom in and out, fit any specific area, and more. In the window, you can adjust your Photopea interface and tools that you want to keep visible. In More options, you have languages, themes, and Install Photopea on your computer option. Let's open a file from your computer. Here is the file layer. You can choose to be visible or hide. Apply transparency, pixels of the file, and file position. You can lock all layers and adjust file transparency from here. Choose opacity. From this dropdown, you can choose effect. In channels, you can choose colors: red, green, blue, or RGB. Check project info. Check properties and brushes. Choose characters to add paragraph, CSS file, and from here add image. Once you are all done, save the selected layers. On the left side, you can explore the Move tool, Rectangle sector, Magic Wand, Crop tool, Spot Healing Brush tool, Gradient tool, Blur tool, Type tool, Pen, Path selector, Rectangle, Hand tool, and Zoom tool. This is how you can use Photopea. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.